Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to deliver the first day's lecture of our assignment number 3. As in previous week we just studied about the English language. We have just completed the work of English language, and now on Monday we are going to start our English literatures chapter number 3. We are going to start the lost word chapter number 3. So please open your books in front of you because today we are going to do the reading only. Before starting chapter number 3, let us discuss the objectives and success criteria of this lesson. Our objectives are that first of all you have to recall chapter number 2, and then you will be able to read chapter number 3. You should recall chapter number 2 because the events are interlinked with each other, right, in every chapter. And the success criteria is that at the end of the chapter, at the end of the lesson, you will be able to read the chapter carefully and understand the meaning of difficult words. Before starting chapter number 3, please give a quick reading to chapter number 2 so that you can relate the events of chapter number 2 and chapter number 3. Okay, now after giving a quick recap to chapter number 2, let us start chapter number 3, and you have to open your books on page number 15. What happened in this chapter is that Professor Challenger was willing to show his proof in front of the Zoological Institute, right? He was willing to show that he had visited the Amazon forest and he had visited different places, and he has observed different creatures, right? So he went towards the Zoological Institute of Hall, where Duke of Durham introduced Challenger. When Professor Challenger was giving proof, a person stood up and he called him liar, which made Professor Challenger angry, right? Then Professor Challenger announced there that if anyone is willing to go with me, I'm here, just join me, we will go towards the Amazon forest again and we will discover those places again. So some people like Professor Summerlee, Edward Malone, Lord John decided to go for the adventure in Amazon forest, right? And by the end of the chapter you will see that they set a journey towards the Amazon forest, and there were some other people who joined them, and from chapter number 3 they are going to start their journey towards the forest. Okay, we have quickly summarized chapter number 3 in our previous slide. When you will read the chapter, you will be able to understand all the events very clearly. Now what you have to do in this assignment is you have to underline all the difficult words from the passage and you have to find the meanings, and then you have to write a summary of chapter number 3 of almost 75 to 100 words. How you have to write the summary, we have discussed it previously, right? And you have to write the summary in your own words and leave out the unnecessary detail. There is no need to put unnecessary detail, just summarize the chapter in your own word. For summarizing, you have to read the chapter for 2 to 3 times. In case of any query, any difficulty, do tell me. I am here to help you. Thank you.